Hi, I'm Amber. Welcome back to the Jog AI channel. In our last episode, we broke down the business logic of AI influencers. Today, we're going from theory to execution. I'm going to show you how to build a digital persona from scratch in Jog AI, one that bypasses algorithm detection and builds genuine fan loyalty. People always ask me, Amber, there are 1,000 AI tools out there. Which one do I choose? Honestly, the current state of AI is exhausting. To run one influencer, you're buying Tool A for images, Tool B for video, and Tool C for TTS. It's expensive, and worse, the aesthetics don't match. Your influencer ends up looking like a shapeshifter in every video. In 2026, we don't need random generation black boxes. We need controlled productivity. The workflow I'm sharing today is built entirely on Jog AI. It's a true all-in-one system that lets a single person run a global content empire without ever showing their face. The ultimate cost-effective AI toolkit for AI influencers in 2026? Let's get started. If you're starting from zero, step one is designing your AI influencer's visual identity. I highly recommend using the text-to-avatar feature. Your first move here is not just hitting generate, it is about defining the genetic code of your brand. You can control hairstyle, face shape, skin tone, and even iris color or hair texture. But here is the ultimate algorithm secret. The internet does not need another perfect but boring face. I know most people freeze when they see a prompt box, so to get you that high-end look instantly, I have developed a universal persona formula. You can think of it as a template where you just swap the details. You start with a subject description, add core facial features, define the hair and outfit, set the lighting and environment, and finish with the camera perspective and quality. For example, if you want a minimalist fashion influencer, you would write, to get that truly realistic effect, remember to add tiny imperfections like subtle skin texture or wisps of hair. If you have a specific facial reference, you can upload a face reference to lock in those unique features. Powered by the Nano Banana Pro model, the system acts as a genetic lock for the facial structure. Whether your influencer is turning their head or laughing, the proportions remain flawlessly consistent across every single frame. This step is crucial. You aren't just creating an image, you are building a foundational IP asset. For those seeking ultimate authenticity, the custom avatar feature allows for a one-to-one digital clone. By simply uploading a 3 to 5 minute clip of yourself, Jog AI will then perfectly replicate your natural expressions and subtle mannerisms. Many top creators are choosing this path, transforming themselves into an AI influencer. It's your face, your voice, and your brand, but without the exhaustion of endless re-recording. Once your AI persona is born, the next step is variety, diverse hairstyles, outfits, and environments. While static photos still hold ground on Instagram, we are living in the video era. Images alone aren't enough to capture a global audience. This is where Jog AI's powerful content engine comes in, covering every production need for your AI influencer brand. Step 1. Expand the look. Use the Generate Avatar Looks feature to upload your character and batch generate new styles instantly. Pivot to a cartoon aesthetic to tap into a new niche, or adopt an AI news style for professional tech reviews. Step 2. Bring them to life. Creating avatar videos is now seamless. Simply select your character, type your script, and hit generate. Your AI influencer is no longer just a portrait. They are a creator with a voice and a unique perspective. But without emotion, there is no connection. When your content needs a soul, Jog AI's Avatar X is your ultimate acting patch. It captures raw human emotional tension, moving your AI influencer past that robotic barrier. Consider these real-world applications. For sincere storytelling, activate sincere and empathetic mode by custom emotion. Subtle eye contact and downward glances create an intimate bond with your audience. For bold commentary, try the confident and sassy mode. A slight head tilt and a sharp micro-expression give your AI a real personality. And for product reviews, use high energy and excited mode. Lifted eyebrows and sparkling eyes are exactly what drive a viewer's impulse to buy.
Let me show you why this perfume feels like a signature, not just a fragrance.
Remember, emotion is life, and personality is what builds a die-hard fan base. Next, let's talk about the feature on the Jog AI homepage that excites me the most: video podcast. Why? Because under current algorithms, long-form video podcasts carry the highest weight and the longest shelf life. Jog AI has simplified this entire process into a fully automated production line. First, it solves the what to talk about problem. The Jog AI podcast generator has the powerful Gemini 3 Pro model built right in. Just enter a core theme, a link, or a document, and it will automatically craft a logically tight deep dive dialogue script with a clear narrative arc. Second is the incredibly immersive Duo Talk mode. With the recent launch of Video Podcast 2.0, we've introduced diverse camera angles to make the video podcast feel more natural and human-like. There is a crucial detail here. The system generates more than just visuals. It creates eye contact and listening logic. When one person speaks, the other provides subtle cues like nodding and active listening feedback. This high-fidelity interaction is the most effective way to build trust with your followers. Third is the peak of production efficiency. Simply paste your script, select your custom AI personas, and hit generate. Out comes a cinematic podcast video, 10 minutes or longer, looking like a high-end production. And lastly, this is the secret sauce used by many top influencers. They use video podcasts to create one high-quality long-form video for YouTube, then chop those golden nuggets into dozens of shorts or TikTok clips. This is content arbitrage. You spend the time for one generation, but you walk away with an entire content matrix. Using that expert authority to harvest traffic creates an efficiency that no human creator can compete with. Once your account starts gaining traction, monetization becomes the next logical step. Jog AI's AI ad maker is by far the most practical monetization tool I've ever used. If you are into affiliate marketing or e-commerce, you can simply grab a product's official URL, and the system will automatically extract the key selling points to generate a promotional script. Then, just hop into the Pro Edit editor, select your custom AI influencer to replace the default model, and your personalized branded video is ready to go. If you are looking for a more relatable, UGC style vibe, then Product Avatar is the way to go. All you need to do is upload a product photo, select your AI persona, and tell the prompt box exactly how you want the product to be presented. Once you've generated the image, simply pair it with the Create Avatar video feature to add your voiceover, and a professional product showcase video is born. Finally, don't forget the nuclear weapon of monetization: video translation. This is the single biggest dividend of 2026. It features mind-blowing lip-sync technology, so no matter which language you translate into, the model's mouth movements are automatically reconstructed. This means you alone can operate dozens of accounts across different countries simultaneously, harvesting global traffic and revenue. AI hasn't stripped away creativity. It has simply lowered the expensive barriers of production to zero. If you want to dive deeper, you can head over to the Jog AI Academy to check out the tutorials. I'm Amber. Don't just witness the future happening, be the one who creates it. Go build your first AI influencer today. I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.